guys, IrwinTech here, back with another video. Today we're going to be showing you the best FPS no lag games to play on your Chromebook, so I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button with notifications on. That would really help me out. You're probably wondering, why should I subscribe with notifications on? Well, it's because I upload daily tech and Chromebook content just like this for you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Number 1, Unkilled. Alright guys, so Unkilled is a zombie shooter FPS game you can download from the Google Play Store. Once you download it, it is compatible with a Xbox and PS4 controller to play, or you can use a mouse and keyboard. For best gameplay, you should use a Xbox or PS4 controller. So basically what this game is you drop in, you start killing zombies, you have a mission to do. You have missions, you have to follow the guides, you have to save people and all that kind of stuff. And then once you do that, you go around killing zombies, and then you have to make sure you don't die in the process. All different kinds of zombies, different guns, and different loadouts you can choose. And overall, it's really fun gameplay. There's barely any lag when you play the game, and it's really fun. It has really good quality, and it's overall good fun game to play. I've been playing it the past few days to test it out, and it's a really fun game. So right now I'm going to show you how you can download it onto your Chromebook. Alright guys, so what you want to do is go ahead and open the Google Play Store if you have it, which means you need it on your Chromebook if you don't have it already. Go in the search bar, search up Unkilled, click enter. And then it'll be right here, Unkilled Zombie Games FPS. Go ahead and click on it, click install, and then once it's installed, go ahead and open the game, and then you guys can go ahead and start playing this game on your Chromebook. I will have a tutorial tomorrow on how to connect your Xbox controller to your Chromebook. Number 2, Shadowgun War Games. Alright guys, so this game is very fun. It does remind me of Overwatch though. So basically what there are multiple game modes. The one I've been playing for the past few days is Team Deathmatch. You're on a team of 4 or 5 going against up to a team of another 4 or 5, and you basically gun them down to win. Whoever gets to 20 kills first, I think, is the winner in one game mode, but in most game modes it's either when the clock runs down, there's usually 5 minutes to play and try and win. Whoever has the most kills when 5 minutes ends wins. There are multiple characters to unlock with different abilities, different special abilities, and different guns to play around with. It's a very futuristic looking game and a very fun game that I suggest you go check out. And now let's show you how to download it from the Play Store. Alright guys, so like I said, first what you want to do is open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Shadowgun War Games. Click enter. Go ahead and find it. Shadowgun War Games Online PvP FPS. That's one. Click on it. Click install. And after you're done, just click open. And you can go ahead and start playing this. Again, I'll make a tutorial tomorrow on how to connect your Xbox controller. Now let's go look at the final game on our list. Number 3, Modern Combat 5. Alright guys, so this game reminds me a lot of Call of Duty, but basically what you do is drop in with an AK-47 in a pistol. You have approximately 6 minutes for the match to be over. You try to get as most kills as possible before those 6 minutes are up, and basically you go around with an AK-47 and a pistol killing other enemies, and there's many places to hide and sneak around to attack other players. It's an overall fun game. It has barely any lag, or actually no lag at all. It's really fun to play. It has really high graphics, really detailed, fun game to play. I've been playing it for the past day or so, and it's been really fun to play. Now I'm going to show you how to download it from the Google Play Store. Alright guys, so go to the Google Play Store, go to the search bar and search up Modern Combat 5. Click enter. It'll be right here, Modern Combat 5 Esports FPS. Click on it, install it. Once it's done, click open. And now you guys can go ahead and start playing it. For best experience, again, just use an Xbox or PS4 controller. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Also subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below, subscribe to get a shout out in my next video. Here are the shouts for this video on the screen right now. Go subscribe to them. If you subscribe to me, one of these shouts for you guys. Enjoy those free FPS games on your Chromebook, and it's IrwinTech signing out.